Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the same organizational account in both Teams and Outlook. Open Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web. Both let you overlay calendars. Once signed in, make sure Teams is running in the background so a shared calendar is discoverable. Next, go to Outlook's calendar view and get ready to add the Teams calendar. This step ensures permissions sync and reduces missing calendar errors later. Once in Outlook calendar, click Add Calendar and choose the correct option, from Directory or from Internet if you have an ICS link. If the team calendar is Microsoft 365 based, search the group or channel name and add it. If it's a meeting link, paste the ICS URL. Make sure you choose Overlay View to merge or side-by-side to compare. This step links availability and ensures you see Teams events with Outlook. After adding, refresh Outlook and confirm the calendar appears and syncs events. You should see Teams meetings populate within minutes. If it doesn't, sign out and back into both apps to force token refresh and verify you have permission to view that team or group calendar. If problems continue, open the Channels Calendar tab in Teams or ask your admin to check group settings. One key tip: clearing cached credentials often fixes lingering sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.